All right, so I'm going to show a quick how-to video of setting the tension on the timing belt for a VG30 or 33. This is obviously a VG30 ET, but the process is the same for all VG single overhead cam engines, VG30 and 33. So I just finished replacing the cam seals, the front pump seal, got a new front crank timing gear down there, got a new OEM tensioner, and the tensioner stud has been replaced as well. And I did replace the tensioner spring. Now here's the original tensioner spring. It's all there in one piece. It's just old. But I highly recommend that you guys get a new spring. They're like $4 or $5 from Nissan, and it's a really simple, process to set the tension. And I don't think most people know how to do this, but it's actually fairly simple. So let me see if I can do this one-handedly here. So we got everything lined up, ready to go, right? Got all the alignment marks good. And crank has been lined up down there good. So on the tensioner, you get that hole down there, right? For the Allen key. So you get the Allen key in there like that. You rotate it all the way around. Keep going, and then you're gonna hear a there. See how that just worked? Now the spring has just clocked and wound itself. Tension set. It's all done. There's no second guessing of how much deflection you put in the belt. That's what the spring does. So you basically set the tension by clocking clockwise until the little arm there catches the stud, or their tiny little stud. Keep going, and then it'll clock itself with a spring. So now the deflection is perfect. You don't need to second guess it. So at this point, you got that on there like that. Let's get the number 14, and you just lock it. There, you're done. Timing belt's done. There's no second guessing of how to get that tension done. That's what that spring is there for. So I highly recommend replacing the spring if you have it when you're doing timing belt. It makes it all that much easier. So now I'm ready to finish getting the water pump, thermostat, all the front end stuff done. Anyway, just a little tech tip there.